Hey everybody, my name is Grant. I'm the Web Analytics Manager here at More Visibility. With the holiday season right around the corner, we thought this would be a great time to talk about the ways to improve the conversion rate of your e-commerce website, specifically centered on shopping cart abandonment and the conversion funnel process. Now, everybody's website is going to be built a little bit differently, and there are some things that may contribute to cart abandonment, like, is your website checkout process optimized for mobile users? Are you offering the visitor's preferred payment methods? Maybe shipping costs were too high. Any of these reasons may contribute to cart abandonment, but there are a few things we wanted to talk about today that can help improve the conversion rate of your e-commerce site. The first thing we want to talk about is the actual user experience involved in the checkout process. So how intuitive is the flow? Is there a clear prompt directing the user to the next step in the process? Also, we want to talk about making sure that there's no broken steps or errors involved in the checkout process. And you would be surprised how many of our clients come to us asking to help with the conversion rate of their e-commerce site only for us to find broken links and errors when we perform an audit of their checkout process. The next thing we want to talk about is utilizing the goal flow report available within Google Analytics. This is an extremely powerful tool that can help you understand if your users are navigating through your content as expected. For example, how many visitors start the checkout process, what percentage of those that start the checkout process actually complete an order, and are there visitors that are abandoning midway through the funnel? If you have an e-commerce site with multiple steps involved in the checkout process, I highly recommend taking advantage of this tool. This is done by specifying the page URLs involved in each step of the checkout process. Once you have set up the funnel steps for each touch point involved in the checkout process, you can step into the goal flow report and take a look at the data. This makes it easy to pinpoint if and where users are abandoning the form. Not only can the report tell you if users are abandoning the checkout process, but exactly where they're going to if they abandon. So, are they looping back to previous steps in the checkout process? Are they jumping to different pages on your website? Or maybe they're simply exiting the site altogether. Using this tool is a great opportunity for you to troubleshoot your checkout process and work to improve and optimize your conversion rate. An unusually high percentage of form abandonments at any point during the checkout process may indicate an issue with that step, and this is a great place to start investigating. Great advantage of using the goal flow report compared to some of the other funnel visualization reports in GA is the ability to apply advanced segments to your data. So, taking our e-commerce checkout scenario as an example, let's say we wanted to dissect our traffic by users who have started the checkout process but haven't completed an order. We simply create the segment, apply it to the report, and Google Analytics will give us a great visual breakdown of how those users behave through the process. One last thing we want to talk about as a benefit of using the goal flow report is the ability to pull in data retroactively. So even if you wanted to examine a specific date range that may be prior to the configuration of your goal, the goal flow report can still populate the historical data available in your Google Analytics account. Well, hopefully you find these tips helpful for improving the conversion rate of your e-commerce website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.